In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strips in Wix. Wix Fix. Strips are those full-width sections that help you structure a page, create strong visual breaks, and keep your content organized from top to bottom. By the end, you'll know how to add a strip, customize its background, fine-tune its layout, and publish your changes with confidence. First, head to your Wix account and open My Sites. From there, click Select and Edit Site to launch the editor for the website you want to work on. Once the editor opens, follow the on-screen highlight to open the panel where you can add elements to your page. Choose Strip. This brings up Wix's strip options, and the highlighted choice will guide you to insert a clean, flexible strip onto your canvas. After the strip is added, use the highlighted control to place it exactly where you want on the page. You can drag it to position and use the handles to adjust its size. With the strip selected, click Change Background. In the Background panel, follow the highlighted options to pick a solid color, an image, or even a video background. Each choice you see highlighted will guide you through applying that style. When you're happy with your selection, click the highlighted button to confirm and apply it to the strip. Next, use the highlighted settings to fine-tune the strip's layout. Adjust the height for breathing room, enable full width if you want the design to stretch edge to edge, and align your content so headings and buttons feel balanced. Continue following the highlighted design controls to refine details like overlay strength for readability, background opacity, or subtle motion to give the section more depth. Use the highlighted spacing and layout controls to keep margins consistent and make sure your text and images have room to breathe. If you need another section with the same style, the highlighted controls let you duplicate the strip to maintain consistency across the page. You can also use the highlighted options to reorder strips, moving them up or down until your content flows logically from top to bottom. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish to push your changes live. A few quick tips as you work. Choose backgrounds that support, not overpower your message. Maintain strong contrast between text and background for accessibility, and keep spacing consistent so your design feels intentional and easy to scan. That's it. You've just learned how to use strips in Wix to build clean, professional sections that anchor your page design.